When we're talking about transformations, today in particular, we're going to talk about reflections and translations. With reflections, we generally see the rule for reflecting over the x-axis or the y-axis. If we are reflecting over the x-axis, we are talking about a point being anywhere on the grid and reflecting over the x-axis. So the x-coordinate stays constant while the y-coordinate changes. If it was above, it will now go below. If it started below, it would then go above. And same concept for if it's reflecting over the y-axis. So if I had a point anywhere on the coordinate plane and I wanted to reflect that over the y-axis, I'd have a point here reflecting over the y-axis, makes the x-coordinate the one that changes signs. So if it began as a negative, it would then become a positive, and vice versa. And then translations tell you exactly how far to move your left, right, up, down. The left, right are always your x-coordinates, and your up and down are always the y-coordinate changes. So here's an example. Given point G, 7, negative 12, reflects over the x-axis and then translates 5 units down. What are the coordinates of G prime? That's called G prime. That means what are the coordinates after the transformations have taken effect. So the first thing I want to talk about is reflecting over the x-axis. So what we just said is if it reflects over the x-axis, then the change of sign happens to the y-coordinate. Okay, so instead of negative 12, it becomes positive 12. And then I want to look at 5 units down. When it goes down, you're talking about the y-coordinate again, because the y-coordinate is up and down. So that's my y-coordinate. So if I'm going down, that would mean I'm taking away units. So I'm going to do 12 minus 5. And my end result for G prime should be the point 7, 7.